Hey you guys, what's going on? I'm Josh, the phone flipping instructor here at CellBotics, and I just wanted to come in and share a piece of advice for you guys, for the ones that are looking to get into phone flipping and is probably still haven't took that action to, actually started to go out in the city and buy these phones and make all this money. It's a lot of money to be made in phone flipping, and I'm teaching that every time, every day, all day. But the piece of advice that I wanted to give you guys was just staying safe. A lot of people are scared to get in this space because they feel as though that it's not safe. They feel as though that it's a lot of gray areas that have a lot of unanswered questions, and I'm here to answer those questions. In my training, I literally teach you guys how to stay safe in all aspects, as far as buying phones, before you buy phones, when meeting in public, and that is what I want to talk about today. When meeting in public, you guys want to choose a nice public area where you can literally sit down and you can feel comfortable and you can make these buys. A lot of times people are literally getting scammed, or they're just not, getting the max amount of profits because they're not taking their time when they're buying these phones. And you're not taking your time when you're buying these phones because you don't feel safe where you're at. Now, if you go to Starbucks, it's good to go to a Starbucks, walk in, let somebody know like, hey, I'm about to meet somebody here to buy phones, and find a nice spot where they can see you. This puts you in a position to where you now have somebody watching you while you're buying these devices. And when you have somebody watching you while you buy these devices, you feel just a little bit better and a little bit more comfortable. Now, this gives you the time and give you the confidence to literally sit there and examine the device thoroughly as you should. That is just a piece of advice that you get just from learning from us here at CellBotics, you guys. We're very thorough with our information, and we want to make sure that we set everybody up to win. That is the whole purpose of us, literally training you guys. We want to train you guys the proper way and not just for a quick buck. We take safety very important here. We teach about bill of sales. We teach about different ways of getting the phone to not report blacklisted here, unlocking the devices. We teach you everything from A through Z. And if you guys are interested into that, literally take that first step. The first step is going on cellbotics.com right now, and just checking out the syllabus on the phone flipping course and seeing if do Josh cover what I'm looking for? Because I'm pretty sure that we do. You guys, take advantage of this right now. This side hustle literally changed my life. This side hustle put me in a better financial position to where I can now invest into my own business. I can invest into stocks, and I can provide for my family. I love phone flipping. Phone flipping is safe. Phone flipping is fun. And phone flipping is easy to do. It just depends on who you learn from, you guys. Cellbotics.com right now. Check out that syllabus and see what we have to offer you. We may have the answer to your questions. All right, you guys, can't wait to see you inside. If you got any questions, reach out. I'm happy to get on a phone call with you at any given time, and let's get it.